Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be baking lemon loaf. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome and kindly consider subscribing. So let's get started. Here I'll start by zesting a medium-sized lemon. Then extract the juice. Okay, now I have 1 cup of full cream milk and I'll add 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Stir it and set it aside. Add 3/4 cup of sugar to the lemon zest. Stir it properly to infuse the flavor into the sugar. Then I'll add 3/4 cup of canola oil. Mix it properly, then add 2 large eggs, one after the other. As you can see here, we have coagulated milk due to the added lemon juice. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of flavor. Mix it properly. Here I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Gently mix it together. You can use a whisk. Here I'll add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Stir it properly. Okay. Now I'll pour the batter into a greased loaf pan. And bake for about 45 minutes at 175 degrees. And here is our lemon loaf. For the glaze, I add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it properly. Then gently pour it on the lemon loaf. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do have a wonderful week. Bye.